Key symbols on furin, or Japanese wind chimes, hold significant cultural and aesthetic meaning. These symbols often reflect elements of nature and Japanese traditions. Common motifs include images of fish, dragons, cherry blossoms, and other natural elements, each with its own symbolism. For instance, fish are a symbol of good luck and prosperity, while dragons represent strength and protection. Cherry blossoms are associated with the fleeting beauty of life and the impermanence of nature, a central theme in Japanese culture. Additionally, geometric patterns and colors are used to convey specific meanings, such as red symbolizing protection and warding off evil spirits.
Thanks for watching this video.